Okay, hello class. Today I'm going to give you instructions on how to complete your homework assignment. So it's for day 3, August 23rd. And so you're going to read page 13 to yourselves. Remember, I skim over it, but you're now writing single characters and you're writing words, okay? So they're all single characters writing words, all in the same stroke. So make sure you read everything on page 13. Remember, at, cat, scat, at is A-T, cat is K-A-T, okay? And they're all stroked in the same stroke. You can read it across your tape, at, cat. You don't write the A first and then the T, it's together. Very important, okay? Practice the 2 lists of words above until you can write them without hesitation. Be sure to keep your hands in the proper position, okay? Sorry, this little browser keeps popping up. So you're going to go on to the next page and read everything about read back, about how you read back everything out loud. Word exercise. So now you're going to have a word exercise 3-1. This is your homework assignment. So you're going to page 13 or page 14, 3-1. You're going to write the words, okay? And we have them broken down on your homework sheet 3 times perfect each column. So you're going to write wrap through rot 3 times perfect. So look at your book and make a little line where that ends. Wrap through rot. It's only 5 words, 3 times perfect each column. So I'm going to write wrap. I'll show you how my notes should look, okay? So it's going to be wrap each column. So rat, and then you've got rag, rob, rot. Okay, check your work. And so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to check it. And so I have wrap, check it to your book, rat, rag, rob, rot. So I have 1 perfect group. So now I'm going to write another perfect group, 3 times perfect. So I go on and I'm going to write wrap, rat, rag, rob, rot. Check it again. Wrap, read them out loud. Rat, check it with your book. Might be a good idea to have like a ruler available. And that way the ruler can show you which words you're writing. You can just put it across your book. Okay? Rag, rob, rot. So that's perfect. So now I'm going to go again, but I'm going to make a mistake. So let's say I'm writing wrap, rot. So I made a mistake because it should be rat. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to check it. I don't know I made the mistake, but I'm checking it and it's wrap, rat, rag, rob, rot. So then I'm starting again, wrap, rot. And it should be rat, so you need to start over at the very beginning. So PF to let the lab assistants know that you made a mistake, PF, PF, and then start again, because you have to have 3 perfect rows. Wrap, rat, rag, rob, rot. Check it, wrap, rat, rag, rob, rot, perfect. So I'm done with the 3 perfect rows and I go on, okay? And your book, your homework sheet has it how to break up the columns, okay? Then you're going to go rod through rut. 3 perfect columns, okay? 3 perfect columns. You check your work. If you make a mistake at the very last part, you got to do it again. So if you wanted to complete some extras, since you have time right now, you can. So instead of having 3 perfect columns, you can have 5 perfect columns. That way, if you make a mistake, you won't have so much homework to do the next night. Because anytime you have a mistake, you're going to have to, if it's a certain amount, read your syllabus, you're going to have to redo it. So make sure that you are taking your time, that you're doing it accurately. Okay? And so we break it up according to your homework sheet. Then hat through hug, 3 times perfect. Hut through wet, 3 times perfect. You're finishing up that first column. Then going to the second column, pal through pot, 3 times perfect each column. Pet through car, 3 times perfect. Cap through keg, 3 times perfect. Cuff through cup, 3 times perfect. So we're going to finish up all of the words on page 14, 3 times perfect each column of words, each group of words. This is your homework sheet and it breaks it up for you. Check your work and make sure that you can scroll up and down over here with your mouse and that way you can check if everything's perfect. Remember, on the left side, you have the English portion. The right side is what your notes should look like. That's what your stenographic notes should look like, so they should match whatever is over here on the note section, okay? Going on to page 15, you're only going to write the first column. So you're only going to write cut through spar, okay, for your homework assignment. Take your time. You're going to write cut through tab. You can write in your book lightly. 3 times perfect, each group of words. So cut, tar, tap, tag, tab. So I would put the ruler there so you know where to stop. And so I'm going to write them down. Cut, tar, tap, tag, tab. Let me check it. Cut, tar, tap, tag, tab. So I have it perfectly done, so I write some more. Let me write it again. So you have to have 3 perfect rows. Cut, tar, tap, tag, tab. Check it. Cut, tar, tap, tag, tab. Perfect. So one more time, and then I'm done with that row, and I go on to the next group of words. Take your time, complete some extras if you'd like. So here I go. One more time. Cut, tar, tap, tag, tab, top, tub. I think I added one extra tub, sorry. It should only go up to tab. Okay, so if I did that, I would have to do it again because I added a word that shouldn't be there. So let me do it over again. It's repetition, and you just have to take your time and do it correctly, okay? Here we go, one more time. We've got cut, tar, tap, tag, tab. So I'm going to check it with my book. Cut, tar, read them out loud, tap, tag, tab. Perfect. So I'm done with that. Now I go on to my homework sheet. I could highlight it, put a little pen through it, and then I'm going to write top through sad, 3 times perfect each column. Check your work, and then saw through scrap. Check your work. Spread through step. Check your work. Stag through stab. Check your work. 3 perfect columns. Scab through spat. 3 perfect columns. And then you've got spot through spar. 3 perfect columns. You have the steno outline there in your book on the right side, so make sure you compare it to what the English part should look like. Remember, some of these strokes are just 3 letters you're hitting at the same time. Others are 4 and 5. Those get to be a little tougher. Very important to memorize your keyboard because the basics are just your basics. So keep doing this as many times as you need to. If you're going to do it 10 times perfect, that's fine. Just make sure you have enough time. Remember, the homework assignments don't go into effect until next Monday, but this is a chance for you all to get caught up, okay? And to read your textbooks and make sure that you're getting everything down correctly. So that's it. Just take your time, do it perfect, and make sure if you have any questions that you let me know, and I will be able to help you all out, okay? Have a great day, you all, and don't hesitate to ask me if you have any questions.